Thank you for watching Everyday Culture.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Put this in your navel and get rid of cough, cold, abdominal and menstrual pain. You can combat flu, common cold, catarrh, cough, menstrual, and abdominal pain by putting 50% alcohol in your navel. What you need to do is soak a cotton ball in about 2 tablespoons of 50% alcohol that has been poured in a bowl and place this soaked cotton ball in your belly button. By trying out this remedy you will instantly be relaxed, and any pain you have will vanish. It's a very effective traditional treatment that has even been used in treating muscle aches and cramps. This alternative solution is far better than conventional medical treatment because it has no side effects. Whenever you are down with flu or cold, all you need to do is soak a cotton ball in alcohol, then squeeze out any excess alcohol, and after which you put the cotton ball in your navel. To ensure that it doesn't fall off, make sure you use one large enough to stay put. You can also cover it using a plastic bag or cloth. If you want to get instant relief from menstrual and abdominal pain, all you need to do using your hands is to place pressure on your navel with the alcohol-soaked cotton ball. When trying to gain relief from your menstrual pain, just lie flat on your back and gently apply some pressure to your belly button. If you are not comfortable doing this, then you can solicit the help of someone. In no time you will feel much better, and the relief is not short-lived, but long-lasting, and as mentioned earlier, with no adverse side effects whatsoever. So try it out today and get an immediate relief from your colds, flu, cough and abdominal pains.